Choosing between American and British English can feel confusing for beginners. Both are correct, and both are widely used around the world. Some words are different, and pronunciation changes slightly, but the most important thing is to start. Speaking, don't worry about being perfect at first. Every word you try to speak is a step forward. Small efforts every day help your brain remember new words. Mistakes are natural, and mistakes are part of learning. Each time you speak, you improve. Confidence is more important than perfection. Listening is the first step in learning either American or British English. Pay attention to how words sound. Videos, TV shows, or listen to songs in your chosen accent. Your brain starts to recognize sounds naturally. Repeating what you hear helps your pronunciation. Don't be afraid to copy the sounds. Every small repetition strengthens your memory. Listening also teaches you rhythm and tone. These are very important in speaking naturally. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain learns patterns of speech. Speaking is the key to improving fast. Start with simple words and short sentences. Talk about your day, your plans, or your favorite things. Speak aloud, even if no one is listening. Talking to yourself helps your brain connect words with meaning. Using new words in daily situations makes them easier to remember. Even greeting someone in English is practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Every sentence you try builds confidence. Speaking regularly makes English feel natural over time. Reading helps too. Simple stories, articles, or captions are useful for beginners. Reading shows you how words are spelled and how sentences are built. You can combine reading with speaking. Read aloud slowly and clearly. Writing small sentences every day is also helpful. Writing helps your brain remember words and grammar rules. Combining listening, speaking, reading, and writing strengthens learning. Every small step adds up to big progress. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days feel slow, and you may forget words or make mistakes. That is normal. Keep practicing every day, even a little. Celebrate small victories. Every word you remember, every sentence you speak correctly is success. Your effort today builds your confidence for tomorrow. Remember, the choice between American or British English is less important than practice. Both will help you communicate with people globally. Focus on learning words you use every day, practicing sentences, and speaking regularly. Your future becomes brighter when you speak English confidently. Every small step, every small practice is a step toward your goals. Start today, keep going, and enjoy every part of your learning journey. Practicing English. Every day is very important if you want to speak confidently. Even a few minutes every day help your brain remember words and sentences. Daily practice creates a habit, and habits make learning easier. Small efforts every day are better than doing a lot once and then stopping. Your brain needs repetition to learn new language naturally. Listening carefully is one of the best ways to improve. Watch videos, TV shows, or listen to songs in your chosen accent American or British. Okay, pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Try to repeat what you hear. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Each repetition makes your English stronger. Listening also helps you understand how sentences are built and how words are used naturally. Even listening for a few minutes every day helps your brain remember. Speaking every day is very important. Start with small words and simple sentences. Talk about your day, your plans, or your favorite things. Speak aloud, even if no one is listening. Talking to yourself is practice too. Repeat sentences you hear in stories or videos. Try to copy the sounds. Even small sentences help your brain remember and connect words with meaning. Stakes are normal. Each time you speak, your confidence grows. Every small effort builds fluency, slowly but surely. Reading and writing also help your learning. Read simple stories, articles, or captions every day. Reading helps you see how words are spelled and how sentences are structured. Reading aloud is especially useful. It helps you speak clearly and remember words better. Writing small sentences every day strengthens memory. Use new words in your writing. Combining reading, writing, listening, and speaking makes learning faster and more effective.
Okay.
Every small step adds to your progress. Use English in real-life situations as much as possible. Greet people in English. Ask simple questions. Describe your day or your plans. Your brain remembers words faster when you connect them to actions. Small sentences in daily life are very useful. Every time you speak English in real life, your confidence grows. Consistent practice makes English feel natural. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Some days may feel slow. You may forget words or sentences. This is normal. Okay, practicing every day. Celebrate small victories. Okay, every word you remember, every sentence you speak correctly is progress.
Confidence
Grows slowly but steadily. Your effort today will help you speak English fluently tomorrow. Remember, the choice between American or British English is yours. Both accents are correct and useful. Focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day. Your future becomes brighter when you speak English confidently. Every small step counts. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy every moment of your learning journey. Patience, practice, and confidence are the keys to learning English. Every small effort you make helps your brain remember words and sentences. Even a few minutes of practice every day is better than a long practice. Once in a while, small steps add up. Okay. Each word you speak and each sentence you try is progress. Your effort today shapes your confidence for tomorrow. Speaking English regularly is very important. Talk about your day, your plans, or your favorite things aloud, even if no one is listening. Repeating sentences from videos, songs, or stories strengthens your brain. Copy the pronunciation and tone. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal and show that you are trying. Every time you speak, your fluency improves. Confidence grows slowly but steadily. Even short sentences help you become stronger. In English, listening is also very important. Listen to native speakers in your chosen accent, American or British. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and how sentences flow. Listening helps your brain understand the natural rhythm of English. Repeat the words and sentences you hear. Your brain connects sounds with meaning. Listening and speaking together makes learning much faster. Even a few minutes every day makes a difference. Reading and writing support your learning too. Read simple stories or articles every day. Reading helps you understand sentence structure and new words. Reading aloud improves your pronunciation and memory. Write small sentences using new words. Writing strengthens your vocabulary and helps you remember grammar. Combining listening, speaking, reading, and writing makes your English strong and complete. Every small practice step adds to your progress. Use English in real life as much as possible. Greet people in English. Ask simple questions. Describe your day or your work. Connecting words with actions helps your brain remember them. Real-life practice builds confidence quickly. Every conversation, even a short one, is an opportunity to improve. Your English becomes natural when you use it daily. Be patient with yourself. Learning English takes time. Some days may feel slow, and you may forget words or sentences. It's normal. Keep practicing every day, even for a few minutes. Celebrate every small victory. Every word you remember and every sentence you speak correctly is success. Your effort today will help you speak English fluently tomorrow. Remember, both American and British English are correct and useful. Choose the accent you like and practice it regularly. Focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day. Your future becomes brighter when you speak English confidently. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy every step of your learning journey. Every small effort counts, and every word you speak builds your success.